The Daewoo Evanda is a mid-sized sedan developed and manufactured by Daewoo for model years 2000-2006 under a single generation and marketed globally by GM Daewoo and General Motors divisions under the name Suzuki Verona and Chevrolet Epica, Chevrolet Evanda. The basic version of the Daewoo Evanda was called E1. It was equipped with a 2-liter engine, single overhead cam, 5-speed manual gearbox, air conditioning, power steering, front electric window, central unlocking, and a radio. In fact, this was the minimum required set of options for a car of this class. The next level of equipment, E2, included the same engine and gearbox as the basic version, but it had extra features like air conditioning, alloy wheels, fog lights, heated front seats, onboard computer, and rear parking sensors. So the car became a little more comfortable. The E3 trim level offered to the buyer the more powerful 2-liter double overhead cam engine paired with a 5-speed manual or 4-speed automatic. The equipment also included rear electric windows, climate control, cruise control, height and telescopic steering column adjustment, and a central armrest. The engines available were a Daewoo developed SK6 inline 6 engine, double overhead cam, 24-valve with 155 horsepower, 116 kW at 5,800 rpm, 177 pound-foot of torque to 40 Nm at 4,000 rpm, or a Holden built 2-liter D-Tech inline 4 double overhead cam 16-valve carried over for the Leganza. Since January 2005, with the bankruptcy of Daewoo, the Evanda became Chevrolet Evanda. It got a redesign of the front grille, more sportly, with newer logos on the steering wheel and also the name on the back of the trunk. So this new Chevrolet Evanda got updated with side airbags, traction and stability control, CD player with 5 CD, automatic turning off the headlights, then newer colors available at purchase and new style 16-inch alloy wheels. So a little bit later in 2006, the Chevrolet Evanda went out of production, substituted by the Chevrolet Epica, the newer mid-size sedan by Chevrolet globally.